It's time again, January 2nd through February 13th, 2027. We are going into our next ChronoIntelligence Masterclass. We will be talking about stopping burnout, preventing anxiety, and restoring your focus. And again, we always stay in the same place. How to get proper rest, right? How to get quality rest. We always deal with QQRT. We want to make sure that you are getting the right quality of sleep, the right quantity of sleep. We want to make sure that you are resting on a regular schedule, and we want to make sure that the time that you're laying down is the correct time. We're going to talk about brain dumping, closing those mental tabs so that you can focus better. We're going to give you protocols and exercises from everything from waking up in the morning to going to bed at night at the proper time. Remember, we don't go to sleep. Sleep happens to us. And what we're going to discuss during this 7-week program, this masterclass, is how you can bio-optimize your energy, how you can be the best you can be, work within 80% of your capacity on an everyday basis so that you can get more out of life, more out of your business, more out of your job, more out of your family, everything. So going into 2027, we want to go into 2027 full of energy, full of excitement. You can do that with the masterclass. So go ahead and tap in. If you look at the description of this video, you will see a link where you can register. The price is going up as time goes by because we're so far out from that class. We only have 13 seats left in this class because I just did a fire sale about a week ago. So this video is coming out after the fire sale because we wanted to put the video out after we did that $49 fire sale. So go ahead and grab your seat. The normal price is $497. So whatever price you're seeing to that right now is certainly a discount. Remember, we only let 25 people in the class. The doors are open right now. So make sure that you get your seat. This is Coach Dunbar with ChronoIntelligence talking about our 2027 Masterclass. Get on board. Remember, it's every Saturday from January 2nd to February 13th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. A 2-hour time frame. Week 1 is going to be orientation, and then the 6 weeks following are going to be nothing but integration and execution so you can bio-optimize your energy. So I look forward to seeing you in the class.